Good morning. Today we are continuing with the gap filling exercise. Now we have got a new fill in. Let us try that. Yes, I asked you to go through the entire thing which you have uh, done so far. Hope you have gone through it so that you become better in it. Now let us go to this and see. Hope so. Henceforth, what all we are doing today, you should not have any mistakes. Everything should be correct. Then only it is successful. The classes are successful. Today, none of your there should be no mistakes in your any activity. Okay, shall we see? Recent heavy rains dashed Chennai city, throwing normal life out of gear. The city dashed severe water logging and people were wading through knee-deep water. Many volunteers in their respective areas dashed out the relief activities. In Annai Satya Nagar, food packets distributed to the victims. Many NGOs helped the needy. Okay. What are the options that are given? A. Has lashed. Lashed. Will lash. Lashes. Carry. Carrying. Carried. Had carried. Where. Was. Did have. Are. Were. Also. But. Lashed. Saw. Sorry, now the answers for the first one. Let us see. Heavy rains, recent heavy rains lashed Chennai city, throwing normal life out of gear. The city saw severe water logging and people wading through the water deep, knee-deep water. Many volunteers in the respective areas carried out the relief activities. In Annai Satya Nagar, food packets were distributed. Food packets were distributed to the victims. Many NGOs helped the needy. Also, it is wrong. The last one, please change it to many NGOs. What is the last answer? Also helped the needy. There is no option is came wrongly. Also helped the needy. Shall we go to the next question? Most Indian schools fail to ensure their students adequate playtime and fitness regime. 2 out of every 5 schools going children have healthy body mass index, BMI, body mass index. And 50% of children adequate lower body strength. Some schools found to offer 3 or more physical education period per week. The students exhausted summers. The options given is does, for A is does not, don't, do. B, options are lacked, lacked, had lacked. Option for C is was, are, is, have. D is will get, got, get, gets. E is in, of, during and after. So how does it go? Most Indian schools fail to ensure their students adequate playtime and fitness regime. 2 out of every 5 school going children don't have a healthy BMI, body mass index, and 50% of children lack, children plural, so lack adequate lower body strength. Some schools are found to offer 3 or more physical education period per week. The students D get exhausted during summer. Okay, during summer. Okay. See here, every employee needs to consider himself or herself as part of the team for business to function smoothly. If one dash to become team play, one needs to give credit dash their team and make their highest priority. Learn to dash credit instead of taking dash. Team spirit is dash is highly important. The options that are given for A is has, had, wanted, want, wanted, wants. Option given for B is for, on, of, to. C is giving, to give, gives, gave. D is this, it, that, these. Was, will be, is, can. Wants, to give, and it. Sorry, E option is was, will be, is, and can. See, try to do it. Yes, let's see the answer. Every employee needs to consider himself or herself as a part of team for a business to function smoothly. If one wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants to become a team player, one needs to give credit to, T-O, credit, T-O, to their team and make that highest priority. Learn to dash, to give. C is learn, highest, to give. Already 2 is given in the question itself, so it's to give. Okay, give credit instead of taking what? Instead of taking D, it. Instead of taking it, what is this it? Taking credit. Team spirit dash, team spirit can, what? Dash, highly, E is highly important. In this condition, what is more important is team spirit. Okay, let's go to the next. In affluent middle class household, children are unspent so much time. I think we have completed it. Computer, yes, we have already completed it. So let's go to next. Yes, there was a child of 5 dash had saved 2 children from burning hut. One who had found a cheetah dash working in the forest. One who had received a bullet on her hand while trying to save her father from dacoits. The children dash great courage and presence of mind in moments of crisis. Dash should be dashed by the government. Option for A is who, which, that, and one. Option for B is when, while, during, where. Option C is shown, seen, see, saw. Option D is every, each, all, they. Option E is reward, rewarded, rewarding, rewards. Let's see the answer. Okay. Yes. Completed? There was a child of 5 who had saved two children from burning hut. One who fought a cheetah while working in the forest. One who had received a bullet on her hand while trying to save her father from the dacoits. See, these children had shown, SHOWN, shown great courage and presence of mind in moments of crisis. They should be rewarded. Rewarded by the government. Okay, children? So we have done quite a lot. Now I think your confidence level in doing gap filling will be very good. Thank you, children. Please, when you get time, open these exercises and try. If you get some more books and if you could try some more exercises, it will be very good. Okay, till the next class. Thank you, children.